A lot of people came to me asking about GSA website contact training and were asking me for some service or a way I could help them. So I released a course called AI Bots course. It is available on Gumroad. It is like 963 MB. So it's like, I don't know, it has got 16, 17 videos in it. And everything that you want to know about GSA website contact setup, setting proxies, setting VPS, even if you're a Mac user, Windows user, any problem you come up, troubleshooting, and how to send message, how to avoid landing in spam, redirect, everything that you can think of with GSA website contact software, I have included in this training. Okay, and it is only for $99. There are other courses in the market, but they can be pricey. So this is a very cheap alternative. Okay, and additionally I will give you bonuses in the form of like a Google Map data extractor, as I promised in my earlier videos. As you can see, I'm just running it and it is already extracting data for like chiropractors in New York. It has extracted like 33 results. It is also extracting websites. I'm just letting it run and it will just keep extracting until it like really extracts everything. Also, I can be very pin code, zip code specific. If I wanted, I could just paste it, zip codes, and it would have just extracted. As you can see, it is running in the background. So you will get this plugin, amazing plugin. Otherwise, if you just go in the market and search for like Google Map data extractors, like if you go to Phantom Buster, Google Maps, yep. I mean, you have to spend a lot as far as I know. So with this plugin, this plugin itself pays for this course. This is a like included free with this course, and it is extracting everything that is available. So I don't think there's any course in the market that provides this much value. Apart from this, you will also get like in the bonuses, you will get this grand email bundle, like anything that you want to promote using GSA website contact. Okay, so if I want to promote products using email affiliate marketing products, and I want to have a swipe file, like once I promote products using GSA website contact, someone signs up to my email list. Now someone when signs up to my email list, I have a full email sequence set up like this sequence, like astrology. Okay, this has got like 100 messages. Okay, so you can just plug and play these 100 swipe files in your sequence with your affiliate links, and boom, you have all set up. If you are, otherwise you will have to manually just write each one of them by yourself. But if you buy my course, you will get like 30,000 email swipe files, which is like a lot. This list is very exhaustive. You're getting like dog training if you're trying to promote something related to dog training, anything that you can think of, credit repair. A lot of people ask me, so I'm just providing you very exhaustive email sequence list. You can just plug and play. Whenever someone signs up using your link, GSA affiliate contact, GSA contact, GSA website contact message, someone, you send the link and someone signs up with your link, this whole sequence can start. Okay, so this course is really good if you are looking to get into contact form marketing. So with this course, you are getting full GSA website contact software training, okay, which is like $249 in value, and bonus GMap data extract and 30,000 email swipe files, which is like $149 in value for just 99 bucks. The requirements of this course are like you should have GSA website contact and GSA captcha breaker. Okay, I hope you have the software. Even if you don't have the software, there are ways that you can market, but this course is essentially for those when you have a software, because that will really boost your chances of success. Everything that is there about GSA website contact troubleshooting, I have covered everything in this course, and that is why I prepared this course. Like I said, you get this Google Map extractor. If you can see the pricing is a lot, $48. I don't know, like for 20 hours a month, that's a lot. And this bad boy is still running, and it has got 64 results, websites, phone numbers. You can just dial these phone numbers, and you can promote your Google reviews. Like your Google reviews are low, anything, you can promote anything. Your website SEO is bad, I can help it rank, get it outsourced on Fiverr. A lot of things could be done. Like I said, this plugin alone helps you a lot, plus the training, that is really good training, and this email swipe file list is amazing. Again, this is again Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Pros, And in this video I told you what will you get in this course, AI bots course. Thank you.